And now, sports on the Tri-States News Leader with Sports Director Ben Marth.
Sometimes you just got to be in the right place at the right time. For Josh Hunsaker and Tiger Logan of Quincy, seems taking a pit stop to grab a hot dog at last night's Game 1 of the World Series is a memory they're going to never forget. You see, on the way back, Josh was waiting for his longtime friend Tiger so they could return to their seats when Rangers catcher Mike Napoli hit a home run over the right field wall, and Hunsaker happened to be standing right in its path after it hit off his right hand. Initially, Hunsaker regrouped to grab the ball as it hit the ground.
Two other guys came down with it too, and like they had their hands on top of mine. And me and this other guy got good grips on it. He grabbed it after I did, and there's no way I was letting go of his World Series ball. And so I was able to force it away from him. I got it and stood up with it. And you always joke about it. You always say, "Oh, we're in home run territory," but just thinking that could actually happen was just unbelievable.
Well, for now, Hunsaker plans to keep the ball, but says that he will contact the Texas Rangers to see if Napoli is interested in it. Hunsaker, as you would imagine, open to a trade, maybe tickets or signed memorabilia.
Bathroom, get a hot dog, and came out, was eating the hot dog, and I didn't even see the ball actually get hit. And I looked up and saw the ball coming. I was disappointed in the first home run, and then I'm like, that's coming towards my direction. That's right here. I was like, so it was about 5 feet to my right, and I went for it, and it hit my hand. So at first I was disappointed. I'm like, I didn't catch it right away. Then I saw it bounced off the wall and came kind of back at me, and I heard him kind of dove after it. I kind of went down, reached for it. But after I grabbed, two other guys reached for it at the same time, and we all kind of went down to the ground. And me and this other guy had complete locks on it. But I was like, I ain't losing this ball. So I'm like, I grabbed it and was able to pull it back towards my body, and I stood up, and that's when all the chants started going on, and throw it back, and people were saying don't throw it back, and it was crazy. People just all around me wanting to get the ball. People wanted to see it. People wanted to take pictures with it. And the guy came up to me right away, offered me money for it. I actually saved the hot dog. By luck, I wrapped it back up, and I only took 2 bites, and I was in my left hand the whole time during this whole battle, because I remember I stood up and I was just kind of in shock. I was like, I got the ball in my hand. And then all of a sudden, I look at my left hand, I'm like, the hot dog's still there. I was like, I didn't even lose the hot dog.
What happened was when we walked off together, and when he came back, well, we got separated when we first took off, and I couldn't find him. So he must have came back. Well, I heard through one of the TVs that they had there that Texas hit a home run. And I came back, and he's like, look what I got. And, of course, you're not going to believe him. I mean, come on now. You just brought a ball with you or something. And then he shows me the blood on his knuckles, and the lady next to him was saying it. I was like, there's no way that he's lying about it now. So had to believe him. But it was crazy. I mean, you never think that's going to ever happen.
I was in shock the rest of the game. And even going down, we talked about it. I was like, obviously we want to see the Cardinals win, but we're at the World Series. That's alone is something that we're always going to remember. Then this happened. I got the ball, and I was like, man, it's a Rangers ball, but I'm like, still, it's World Series home run. I'll take it. But and then the Cardinals pulled it off. It just capped off a perfect night. It couldn't have been any better.